From novice to pro, mastering crypto copy trading on Bingx. You won't believe this crypto trader's insane journey from newbie to crypto millionaire. Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Ryan here, and today I'm gonna spill the beans on how I went from being a total crypto noob to raking in the cash like a boss. Buckle up, because this is one wild ride. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another cryptocurrency video, great. But trust me, this one's different. I'm not here to hype up some random altcoin or show you the latest get-rich-quick scheme. Nah, this is the real deal, my dudes. You see, back in the day, I was just your average Joe, working a 9-to-5 job and struggling to make ends meet. I had heard all the hype about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but to be honest, the whole crypto thing just seemed way too complicated and intimidating. I mean, all those technical terms, wallet addresses, and market analysis, it was enough to make my head spin. But then, one day, everything changed. I stumbled across this thing called copy trading, and let me tell you, it was a total game changer. Suddenly, I could leverage the skills and strategies of experienced traders and start making some serious cash without having to become a crypto expert myself. It was like finding the cheat code to the crypto world. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, isn't copy trading just for lazy people who don't want to put in the work? And you know what? You'd be right. To a certain extent. See, the thing is, copy trading isn't just about sitting back and letting someone else do all the heavy lifting. It's about finding the right traders to follow, understanding their strategies, and being able to manage your own risk and portfolio. That's where Bingx comes in, my dudes. This crypto exchange has got the goods when it comes to copy trading. They've got a massive library of successful traders for you to choose from, and the platform is super user-friendly, even for complete newbies like I was. And let me tell you, once I started using Bingx's copy trading feature, my life changed for the better. Within a few months, I was making more money from my crypto investments than I was from my regular job. I'm talking thousands of dollars, people. And the best part? I didn't have to spend hours glued to the charts trying to figure out the latest market trends. Nah, I just let the pros handle it, and I reaped the rewards. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Ryan, that's all well and good, but how do I get started? Well, my friends, let me break it down for you. First things first, you gotta sign up for a Bingx account. And when you do, make sure you use the referral code 911. That's gonna get you some extra perks and bonuses to help you get started. Once you've got your account set up, it's time to start exploring the copy trading feature. Bingx has got a ton of successful traders for you to choose from, so take your time and do your research. Look at their track record, their risk management strategies, and their overall trading styles. You want to find someone whose approach aligns with your own risk tolerance and investment goals. And let me tell you, the learning curve is a lot less steep than you might think. Bingx has got a ton of educational resources and tools to help you get the hang of copy trading, from video tutorials to live webinars. Trust me, if a total noob like me can do it, so can you. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, what if I mess up? What if I lose all my money? And I get it, man, the crypto market can be a wild ride, but that's where Bingx's risk management features come in. They've got all sorts of tools to help you manage your exposure and protect your investments, from stop-loss orders to leverage controls. So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? It's time to take your crypto game to the next level with Bingx's copy trading feature. Trust me, once you start seeing those profits rolling in, you're gonna be kicking yourself for not getting started sooner. And remember, when you sign up, make sure to use the referral code 911. That's gonna hook you up with some extra goodies to get you started on the right foot. Alright, that's it from me, folks. Time to go make some serious crypto cash, am I right? See you on the other side, my dudes.